In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you a new crypto platform wherein you will be able to buy, sell, trade, and even earn with cryptocurrencies for free. And also, this is secured. So this project is called ByBit. Okay, and before we dive into some of the most important details about this cryptocurrency platform, do not forget to subscribe into my channel first. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first things first that you're going to see into the platform is that there is a market, there is a spot trading, there's also a derivatives perpetual trading. You will be able to do it directly here inside. You are also have an option to stake some of your tokens. You can also do some DeFi mining, launch pool, and even cloud mining. So for the flexible staking, you can get up to 4.99 annualized percentage yield if you are staking USDC, up to 0.49 at BTC. Into DeFi mining, you can get 15% to 17% annualized percentage yield. So taking note that this is on a yearly basis. This is not after you've completed the staking period. This is on a yearly basis. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you can look forward here, but I suggest if you like DeFi mining, just stick with this staking asset. Okay, but the bad stuff here is that everything is just sold out. Okay, so probably if you can get yourself a spot into that, actually that makes it a lot more easier for a lot of people as well. Now for the launch pool, so this is the launch pool that they have um, last October 13. So bit, okay, you are having 10.48% annualized, which is APY, if you're staking bit. So you'll stake bit, and you'll also earn in bit tokens as well. So this is for the launch pool. And for the cloud mining, you can get up to 438% APY. Okay, but this is just on invite only basis if you are buying these hash rates via ByBit cloud mining. So I mean, cloud mining is a lot more better in terms of returns, but also just taking note that high risk requires high reward. Okay, so there's no sure into this world, and always invest what you can afford to lose, and also what do you call that, trade responsibly. Okay, now let's now move forward into Cropbytes. I pretty much know that I know too that Cropbytes is one of the best games in terms of farm style of game, and actually they are dominating a lot right now. This is like the farm based type style of game wherein you'll be able to feed your animals. You'll be able to feed your hens, your pigs, and you are getting milk and some sort of other in-game assets wherein you can able to exchange it into cash, and also ultimately you can now exchange it into a real cash, which you will be able to use it on any stuff that you want. Now CBX is like the newest coin that will be introduced in Cropbytes. As you can see here, there are ByBit will be the first platform that will have Cropbytes CBX to be bought into this platform as well. So as you can see, so Cropbytes is a crypto game based on real-world farming economy, allowing users to use the power of crypto to play and earn in the virtual world. So this is everything that you need to know for you to be able to participate and also compute what what kind of values that you have into your mind. So there's only 500 million CBX that are in total supply. There's more than 3 million, which is 0.6% of the total supply allocated into this launchpad. And there's only 5,000 CBX that are going to be available per user, and the price of one CBX is 0.10. So this is on subscription basis. So this is how it works, okay? The staking period will be on October 31, snapshot period rather, up to November 4. And you need to have 100 bit every hour from that. So after you've already done that, guys, okay, you've already got 2,400 bit, you can now participate. Okay, it is more like called whitelisting stuff, so that people are going to be limited on who are going to be able to join into this platform as well. So this is the distribution period. So the distribution starts at November 5 to up to the end of that date as well. So based on final CBS allocation result, the corresponding bit equivalent will be deducted from your committed account, while your CBX allocation and the remaining bit will be credited back to your spot account. So the good thing here is that, okay, let's just summarize this for a little bit. If you're going to get this, okay, and you're getting it at the cheapest price possible before it got listed into other platforms like maybe KuCoin, MEXC, Binance, you are now getting your best positions into this coin as good as possible, because this is the first launchpad, okay, this is the first listing rather in Cropbytes 2. Now it is pretty much powerful because the more it got listed into different platforms, the more people that are going to hold into this token. And of course, as you know, the law of supply and demand, the higher the demand here is, the lower supply here is, which means more people that are holding into the token, then of course the higher of the CBX price will be output into the future as well. We can expect maybe times 3, times 5, times 10, and even times 100 into this kind of project. Especially this project is being done professionally and also good. So I believe they are into the position to also compete with big games like Axie Infinity and other play to earn games as well. Now I know this is a ByBit what do you call that, ByBit video, but let me just explain to you these kind of words, because you won't hear it into any other YouTubers anymore, because this is like the real shoot. Okay, this is how I make money here, guys, not just on YouTube, like literally in play to earn gaming and investing. This is how I make money. So make sure to know it and also take advantage of this free stuff that I'm offering into the YouTube as well, guys. Okay, so do not forget to like and also subscribe into my channel, just because of YouTube algorithm too. So this is everything that you need to know. Actually, let's now go forward on how you will be able to buy crypto, how you'll be able to put money inside this part. So let's say you want to buy let's say 1,000 PHP or 10,000 PHP. Okay, what you can do here is you can go forward into the simplex because 0 fees, but also you can choose Paxful because it allows you to be able to deposit via bank. So as you can see here, let me just open it for you real quick. So you also need to create an account here. So I'm not sure if they have a P2P here, but if you have a credit card, you can directly deposit it into this. And if you have like a fund on different platforms, what you just need to do is just go to the spot account. Let's say you have a USDT. Just click the deposit, copy the TRC20, and then paste it into the other exchanges if you want to, if you have a funds there as well. And after that, there's almost really small fees. You can now start trading, you can now start buying your allocations in Cropbytes via ByBit as well. So I'm also going to put the link into the description box below so that you'll be able to create your account directly on ByBit as well. So this is everything that we know. This is everything that I'm going to show to you about ByBit right now. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.